Name a country that was completely destroyed in a world war, its cities reduced to rubble, its economy shattered, its people divided by a wall for nearly 3 decades, and then rose to become the largest economy in Europe and the fourth largest in the entire world. A country that builds cars so precise and so powerful that the rest of the world spends billions trying to match them, that created a highway system with sections that have no speed limit, that produces beer so seriously that a 500-year-old law still governs how it must be made, and that sits at the geographic and political heart of an entire continent. This is Germany, a nation of extraordinary resilience, engineering genius, and cultural depth that has shaped the modern world more than almost any other country in history. Today, we are going on a journey through the heart of Europe. Welcome to Germany. Germany is located in the heart of Central Europe, sharing borders with 9 countries: Denmark to the north, Poland and the Czech Republic to the east, Austria and Switzerland to the south, and France, Luxembourg, Belgium, and the Netherlands to the west. No other country in Europe has more neighbors, and this central position has made Germany the geographic, economic, and political core of the European continent for centuries. The capital of Germany is Berlin, one of the most historically significant and culturally vibrant cities in the world. Frankfurt is the financial capital, home to the European Central Bank and one of the busiest airports in Europe. Munich in the south is the cultural and economic powerhouse of Bavaria. Hamburg in the north is one of Europe's great port cities. Each of Germany's major cities has its own distinct personality, dialect, and identity, making the country feel like a collection of proud regional cultures united under one flag. Germany has a population of approximately 84 million people, the most populous country in the European Union and the second most populous in Europe after Russia. Its population density stands at around 240 people per square kilometer, significantly denser than the United States, but more spread out than many of its Western European neighbors. Around 77% of Germany's population lives in urban areas, cities, towns, and suburban communities connected by one of the best public transport and rail networks in the world. The remaining 23% live in rural areas, small towns, farming villages, and forest communities that preserve a traditional German way of life in rolling countryside, particularly in regions like Bavaria, the Black Forest, and the Rhine Valley. Germany has a historically Christian identity divided between 2 major traditions. Protestantism, specifically Lutheranism, was born on German soil when Martin Luther nailed his 95 Theses to a church door in Wittenberg in 1517, triggering the Protestant Reformation that changed the entire Christian world. Roman Catholicism remains strong, particularly in the southern states of Bavaria and Baden-Württemberg. Together, Protestant and Catholic Christians make up approximately 50% of the German population. Islam is practiced by approximately 5% of the population, around 5 million people, largely within communities of Turkish, Arab, and South Asian heritage. Beautiful mosques have become part of the architectural landscape of German cities, alongside historic Lutheran churches and Catholic cathedrals. Germany uses the euro as its currency. $1 is worth approximately 0.92 euros, making Germany a moderately priced destination for American visitors, comparable to other Western European countries. Germany's economy is the largest in Europe and the 4th largest in the entire world. It is the engine that powers the European Union, contributing more to the EU budget than any other member state, and driving the economic stability of the entire continent. Germany's economic strength is built on a foundation of manufacturing, engineering, exports, and innovation that has made German products synonymous with quality worldwide. The automobile industry is Germany's greatest economic achievement. Brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsche are recognized and respected in every country on Earth. German cars are not just vehicles, they are statements of engineering precision and quality that command premium prices in every market in the world. Germany is one of the largest automobile exporters globally, and the car industry directly and indirectly employs millions of German workers. Germany is also home to the Autobahn, its famous highway system where certain sections have no official speed limit. Driving on unrestricted sections of the Autobahn in a high-performance German car is a uniquely thrilling experience that draws car enthusiasts from around the world. German women carry a natural, confident beauty that reflects a culture built on practicality, intelligence, and self-assurance. Strong features, fair skin, and light eyes in shades of blue and gray are common across the northern and central regions, while the southern states, closer to Austria and Switzerland, produce a woman with a warmer, more Mediterranean-influenced appearance. German women are known above all for their confidence and directness. In a culture that values honesty and efficiency, German women say what they mean and mean what they say, a quality that many people find deeply attractive and refreshing. They are highly educated, professionally accomplished, and present at the highest levels of German business, science, and government. Fashion in Germany reflects the national character. Quality over flash, substance over trend. German women dress with a clean, understated elegance that prioritizes well-made clothing over logos and labels. Berlin is the exception. Germany's capital has developed one of the most creative and avant-garde fashion scenes in Europe, producing designers and style movements that have influenced global fashion significantly. Berlin's street style is bold, experimental, and completely individual, a reflection of a city that has always attracted artists, musicians, and creative people from across the world. At traditional festivals, particularly the world-famous Oktoberfest in Munich, German women dress in dirndl dresses, the traditional Bavarian costume of fitted bodice, full skirt, and apron in rich colors and embroidered fabrics. The dirndl is one of those traditional garments that manages to be both deeply cultural and genuinely beautiful, and seeing thousands of women in dirndl filling the festival tents of Munich is one of the most colorful and joyful sights in European culture. Germany has a literacy rate of approximately 99% and an education system with a long and distinguished history of academic excellence. Germany invented the modern research university in the 19th century. The Humboldtian model of combining teaching with original research, that is now the standard for universities worldwide, was developed in Berlin and spread across the globe. German universities are world-class and largely tuition-free, even for international students at public universities. This commitment to accessible higher education attracts students from across Europe and beyond. The Technical University of Munich, Ludwig Maximilian University, and Heidelberg University, Germany's oldest, founded in 1386, are among the top research institutions in the world. Germany's vocational education system is one of the most admired in the world. The dual apprenticeship system, where young people combine classroom learning with practical workplace training, produces skilled workers of exceptional competence and is widely regarded as a major reason for Germany's industrial success. Germany is a very safe country with low crime rates and a reliable, well-functioning society. Public infrastructure, trains, roads, hospitals, public spaces, operates at a high standard. The rule of law is respected and consistently enforced. Germans consistently report high levels of satisfaction with their quality of life, their public services, and their personal security. The German lifestyle is shaped by a deep appreciation for order, quality, and leisure in equal measure. Work is taken seriously. Germans are hardworking, punctual, and thorough, but leisure is equally protected. Germany has some of the most generous vacation allowances in the developed world. Workers receive a minimum of 20 paid vacation days per year by law, and many receive significantly more. Weekends are genuinely free, and public holidays, of which Germany has many, are respected boundaries between work and personal life. Food and drink are central to German culture. German cuisine, hearty, filling, and deeply satisfying, centers on bread, sausages, pork, potatoes, and sauerkraut prepared in dozens of regional variations. Germany produces over 1,300 varieties of sausage and over 300 types of bread, facts that speak to a culture that takes its food traditions with quiet but total seriousness. German beer is governed by the Reinheitsgebot, the beer purity law, enacted in 1516, making it one of the oldest food quality regulations still in force anywhere in the world. German beer culture, celebrated most visibly at Munich's Oktoberfest, the world's largest folk festival, attracts over 6 million visitors every year from every corner of the globe. Germany's landscapes are remarkably varied for a country of its size, ranging from the flat northern plains and Baltic coastline to the dramatic alpine peaks of the Bavarian south. The Bavarian Alps in the far south of Germany offer mountain scenery of genuine grandeur, snow-capped peaks, glacial lakes of impossible blue-green color, and forested valleys dotted with traditional alpine villages. The town of Garmisch-Partenkirchen sits at the foot of the Zugspitze, Germany's highest mountain, at 2,962 meters, and offers skiing in winter and hiking in summer against a backdrop of dramatic mountain scenery. The alpine lakes of Bavaria, Königssee, Chiemsee, and Starnbergersee, are among the most beautiful lakes in Central Europe, their clear, cold water reflecting the mountains and forested shorelines above them. The Rhine Valley is one of Germany's most iconic and most romantic landscapes. The Rhine River flows northward through a dramatic gorge lined with steep vineyard terraces, medieval castle ruins perched on rocky outcrops above the water, and small wine towns clustered along the riverbanks. This stretch of the Rhine between Bingen and Koblenz is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most painted, photographed, and visited landscapes in Europe. River cruises along the Rhine pass one dramatic viewpoint after another, with vineyards, castles, and river barges creating a scene that feels timeless. The Black Forest in the southwest is a landscape of dense, dark woodland, steep valleys, waterfalls, and small traditional towns that gave the world cuckoo clocks, Black Forest cake, and the inspiration for countless fairy tales. Walking through the Black Forest under its canopy of ancient firs and spruces, with light filtering through the darkness and streams running through mossy valleys, is an experience of quiet, deep beauty. The Baltic and North Sea coastlines in the north offer a completely different landscape, flat, windswept, and wide open. White sand beaches, seagrass dunes, and enormous skies stretch along the coastline of Schleswig-Holstein and Mecklenburg-Vorpommern. The North Sea islands, particularly Sylt, are popular summer destinations where the combination of beach, wind, and dramatic tidal landscapes creates an atmosphere of raw, natural beauty. Germany has a temperate seasonal climate with 4 distinct seasons. Winters are cold, with temperatures frequently dropping below freezing across the country from December through February. Snow falls regularly, particularly in the south and in elevated areas. The Christmas market season, when towns and cities across Germany fill with wooden stalls selling mulled wine, gingerbread, and handcrafted ornaments under twinkling lights, is one of the most magical winter experiences in Europe and draws visitors from every corner of the globe. Spring brings mild temperatures, flowering trees, and the reopening of outdoor spaces that make German cities come alive again. Summer is warm and pleasant. Temperatures typically reach 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, and Germans embrace outdoor life with enormous enthusiasm. Beer gardens fill to capacity, parks become social centers, lakes and rivers become swimming destinations. Autumn brings beautiful foliage to Germany's forests and hills, and the harvest season fills markets with fresh produce, wine, and the atmosphere of Oktoberfest. Berlin is one of the most historically layered and culturally alive cities in the world. Its history, from imperial capital to divided city split by the Berlin Wall to reunified capital of a democratic Germany, is written into its streets, its architecture, and its people in ways that make it endlessly fascinating. The Brandenburg Gate, once stranded in no man's land between East and West, now stands as a symbol of German reunification and one of the most recognized monuments in Europe. Remnants of the Berlin Wall, painted with murals by artists from across the world, stretch along the East Side Gallery, the longest open-air gallery on Earth. The memorial to the murdered Jews of Europe, a vast field of gray concrete slabs of varying heights, is one of the most powerful and moving memorial spaces ever designed. Beyond its history, Berlin is a city of extraordinary creative energy. Its music scene, art galleries, street art, food culture, and nightlife attract artists and young people from across Europe and the world who come to live, create, and contribute to a city that never seems finished becoming itself. Neuschwanstein Castle in the Bavarian Alps is the most visited castle in Germany and one of the most photographed buildings in the world. Built in the 19th century by the eccentric King Ludwig II as a personal romantic fantasy of what a medieval castle should look like, it rises from a forested alpine hillside above a valley of extraordinary beauty, its white towers and turrets emerging from the tree line against a backdrop of mountain and sky that looks entirely unreal. Neuschwanstein was the inspiration for the castle in Walt Disney's Sleeping Beauty and the iconic Disneyland castle design. In autumn, when the surrounding forest turns gold and orange around the white stone towers, Neuschwanstein looks like something from a dream. The interior, decorated with scenes from German mythology and Wagnerian operas, is equally extraordinary. It is a building that makes you understand why fairy tales were invented. Munich is the capital of Bavaria and one of the most enjoyable and livable cities in Europe. It combines the economic power of a major German city with a quality of life and cultural richness that consistently places it among the most desirable cities in the world. The old town center, with its medieval architecture, market square, and famous Glockenspiel Tower, is a place of genuine beauty and constant activity. The English Garden in the heart of the city is one of the largest urban parks in the world, larger than Central Park in New York, where Muncheners jog, cycle, sunbathe, and surf a standing wave on the Eisbach River that flows through the park year-round. The Deutsches Museum is the largest science and technology museum in the world, and every September and October, Oktoberfest transforms the city into the world's greatest folk festival. 6 million visitors, enormous decorated tents, traditional Bavarian music, Dirndl and Lederhosen, and rivers of the finest beer in the world flowing in a celebration that has been held annually since 1810. Germany is home to the world's oldest active brewery. Weihenstephan Brewery in Bavaria has been brewing continuously since 1040 AD, nearly 1,000 years of uninterrupted beer production on the same site. The Christmas tree tradition, now celebrated by hundreds of millions of people worldwide, originated in Germany. The practice of decorating indoor trees at Christmas spread from Germany to Britain in the 19th century, and from there across the entire world. Germany has produced more Nobel Prize winners than almost any other country. In science particularly, physics, chemistry, and medicine, German researchers have made discoveries that form the foundation of modern civilization. Germany is proof that a nation can face its darkest chapters honestly, rebuild from absolute ruin, and emerge stronger, wiser, and more extraordinary than before. It builds the world's finest cars, brews beer by a law written in 1516, fills its cities with art, history, and creative energy, and sits at the center of a continent it has helped hold together for decades. resilient, precise, deeply human. There is a reason the world looks to Germany when it wants to understand what a serious, capable, and civilized nation looks like. If you enjoyed this journey through Germany, subscribe to the Urban Facts for more country stories every week, and tell us in the comments, which country do you want us to explore next?